then take the ball. Oh, maybe I should come down with this ball. It's like crumbling to pieces. Okay, take the ball, roll it between there, knock those pins down. So kind of like throw it. You got 2 down! Yay!
You lost the ball. Ball return.
Try again. Okay, let's clear these out.
You get 2 rolls.
Okay, one more. Try to knock those down. Oh, try again. Like throw it like this. Watch. Roll it. Can you do that? But you gotta get it all the way to the pin. Let's do it together. Ready? When I say let go of it, let go. 1, 2, 3, let go. Okay, just. Try again.
Maybe you get more than 2 turns.
Throw it at these, right here. Throw it down there. Knock them over. We want them to go like this. Boop. So go down there. Oh, that was close. Let's try one more time. Throw it down. Yeah! Emery got 4. You did just as good as Dad.